What's up, good days? Welcome back to your girl channel. You don't know, today I am going to be making some pork ribs. Yeah. So here's my pork ribs already washed, and I have all of my good seasoning over there to use. So here I have some garlic, some minced garlic. I love using garlic, so I'm putting about 2 tablespoons of garlic, and I'm using some oxtail seasoning, some jerk seasoning, some chicken seasoning, smoked paprika, some Caribbean spice. I got some seasoned to the bone from Jamaica. It's salty, so you want to be careful with this one. Just a little bit. Okay, garlic powder, onion powder, and some all-purpose. I have some oil. I just spray the oil on it. You can just throw some oil on it. So I'm just gonna rub this in. Okay, goodies, so everything is all rubbed in. I turned it over, and I also seasoned the other side. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put this in the oven. The oven is preheating at 450 degrees. And then we're going to come back and we're going to make our sauce, and we're going to add our sauce. So let's put this in the oven at 450 degrees. Stay tuned. All right, goodies, so I pulled it from the oven, and this is how it's looking. I like my ribs well done. So what I'm gonna do now, before I flip it over, I'm going to be adding some of my homemade barbecue sauce. And this is homemade. It's not too sweet, it's more spicy than sweet. So I'm just gonna spread this as all over the top. If you want to know how I made my homemade barbecue sauce, leave me a comment in the comment section, and I'll do that for you. And this is my signature barbecue sauce. So the top is covered in my barbecue sauce. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna flip this over on the other side. I flipped it over, and I'm going to put some sauce on this side as well. And this is pretty much almost done. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pop it back into the oven for about 10 minutes just to get some color on this side. Okay? Let me know if you will be trying this recipe, guys. Stay tuned for the final result. And please let me know if you would like to see how I made my homemade barbecue sauce. If you're new here, subscribe to the channel and turn on your post notification bell. Okay, goodies? Okay, goodies, so as you can see, we'll get some color on this side. So I'm just gonna flip it back over now and let you see how the other side is looking. So that is it, guys. Nice and juicy. It is ready. You can have this with some rice and peas, some mashed potato, whatever you want to have this with, some vegetables. Okay, so this is the final result. Look how beautiful and juicy that looks. Falling off the bone. Thank you all for watching. Until next time, God bless you.